Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain breadth first search. On the left side we have our breadth first search code on traversing the graph. In the middle we have a visual representation of the graph we're going to traverse, and on the right side we have the adjacent matrix representing the graph. And then we have the QE and visited arrays to keep track of the vertices we're visiting in the graph. Alright, let's get started everyone. Alright, so as you can see in the parameters we break the graph and the node or vertices we're starting from, which is 1. All right, and then we have our QE data. We go to our QE, we initialize our QD array. It's not set. It could be anything. It's just we just put it to 7 to keep track of all the vertices since we have 7 vertices. All right, so now we have our node number. This is the number of nodes in the graph. All right, so it is 7, so this right over here will be 1. What? Let's make this 1, and then 7. No number is 7. And then we have our visited array. We initialize them all to 0. 0 represents false in the visited array. So we'll do that here. All right. And now we go to print. All right. Let's print it out. So we print out the first node, 1. All right. And then when after we print it out, we put 1 in the QE. And then we put 1 as visited. So now we change 0 to 1. 1 represents true in the visited array. Okay. And then we are right over here. And now we go into our loop. All right. In our loop, we then all right, and we're going to keep looping the QE until it's empty. Okay, so now we pop 1 out of the QE. Okay, 1 is popped. And then what do we do? So then we go here. We keep looping, so we check if it's in the matrix, if it has an edge, and if we haven't visited the node. And we're going to do that right over here. So we have U is 1. So this, we're right here, G1. And then we're just going to horizontally check if there's 1 here. So we go 0, 0. We're in our loop, right? Oh, we find that 2. So we traverse here. We go here. We find, okay, 2 is adjacent to 1. Let's add it to the 2. Let's print it first, and then we're going to add it to our QE. So, and then we put it into our visited. We're going to say that we visited 2. All right, and then we put 2 here in our QE, and then we'll do this again. All right, and then we go, all right, from 1, we can go to 3. It's right here, go to loop. So now we print 3. Oops. Let's make that white. All right. And we change 3 to, and then we put 3 here. Okay. So, oh, oops, sorry. this is 1. So, and then we go, then we put 3 in our QE. Okay. And then from 1, you can see here, there is 4. So we go 4. And then we print 4. All right. Now we go to we then add 4 to the visited array. And we say that is true now. 1. And then we put 4 in the QE. All right. And then we're done here. We're done at 1. All right. We exit the for loop in the code. Now we pop 2 out. So 2 is now popped out. So we go here, we do G2 and V. We're here. What nodes we haven't visited that it's adjacent to 2. We have 1 here. We had visited 1 and 3. So okay. We don't print anything. And then now we pop 3. From the QE. So now we're over here. We're at G3 and V. Let's see what nodes we haven't visited. So we go, okay, we haven't. 1, 2. So from 3, we haven't visited so yeah, we have 3. So from 3, we haven't visited 5. You could say. So now we could put 5. Mark. Put 1 on 5. All right. And put 4, 5. All right. And then what else do we have visited? We have visited 4, 3, and 1. So it's just 5. So we're done here at 3. Okay. And then we go to 4. G4 and then B. All right. We pop 4 out of the QE. So just pop that out. So at 4, we have what nodes we have that's connected to 4 that we haven't visited. So at 4, we have visited 5. Okay. Oh, forgot to print out 5. So we have 5. So from 4, you see that we visited all the nodes that are connected to 4. So we pop it out. Now we pop 5 out. We go to 5. So we go G5V. Okay. What nodes from 5 we haven't visited? What nodes that is connected to 5 we haven't visited would be 6 and 7. So we go 5, 6, and then 7. So now we'll say right here, we're going to print out 6, mark 6 as visited. So make it 1. Okay, pop it and put 6 here. And then what's the next node? 7. Print 7. We mark it as visited. Six, 7. All right. We're done with 5. So now we pop 6 out. We know from 6 we visited 5 already, so we don't have to print 5. And then from 7 we know we visited what's connected to 7. The only edge that's connected to 7 is 5, so we know we've already visited 5, so we don't have to print 5 out. So this is a walkthrough of breadth first search. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and see ya.